Hope you all are fine. Today I have come with a new video on ancient history. In my last video I have discussed about the Indian history that is divided into three parts. First ancient history, second one medieval history, and the third one is modern history. So in this particular video I will talk about the ancient time period in which humans emerged, early humans emerged. Okay, look, in our history it is given that humans emerged approximately 2 million years ago, but that this is not the actual thing. If you will learn, if you study more about the history, you will get to know that humans appeared around 360 million years ago. Okay, but the modern humans, that is Homo sapiens, I think you all have heard about Homo sapiens, that is scientific name of humans. So they have emerged approximately 200 million years ago, right? So basically our today's topic is Stone Age, and Stone Age is divided into three parts. First one, Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. Look, this is the time period when humans learn about so many things. They like if I talk about the present era, present situation, the जैसे हम आज हैं वैसे हम पहले नहीं थे. ठीक है, we have learned things very slowly. Okay, so to understand about the things about human, we have to go backward. पीछे जाना होगा हमें. कितने साल पीछे जाना होगा हमें? 2 million years ago we have to go. Okay, so let's talk about the Paleolithic period. What is Paleolithic period? First of all, let us talk about this. Paleolithic. देखो हर वर्ड जो होता है ना अपने आप में अपनी खुद की कहानी बताता है. अगर जैसे आपका नाम है, आपके नाम का भी एक मतलब है, तो हर एक नाम का एक मीनिंग होता है. So Paleolithic. If I divide the word Paleolithic, so there is two divisions. First Paleo and another one is Lithic. Paleo means the oldest one and Lithic means stone. So we can say that Paleolithic is the age of old stone age. It is also called as old stone age. आप इसे old stone age में भी कह सकते हैं. Of Paleolithic age, the old stone age is divided into three parts. First one, lower, second middle and third one is upper. This division is on the basis of time period. Like lower stone age, lower Paleolithic stone age is the time period of from 20 lakh years to 10 lakh BC years ago. Then middle 10 lakh to 40,000 BC, and third one, that is upper one, from 40,000 to 10,000 BC. Okay, now let us discuss what were the key points of the Paleolithic age. This is the, I can say, the most important time period where 99% of incidents happened in the life of human beings, early humans. Okay, so this age is also considered as Ice Age. Why it is considered as Ice Age? Because at that time the temperature was very low. It's very difficult for people like us to survive at that time period. Okay, if the temperature, अगर वैसा temperature आज हो जाए तो हमारे लिए बहुत difficult हो जाएगा. And that is why that age, that time period is considered as Ice Age, right? Then people were hunter gatherers and nomads. Basically people at that time were involved in the hunting procedure, gathering procedure. जहाँ जो मिल जाता था उनको खाने के लिए वो वहाँ पर वही खा लेते थे. And they were nomads. Nomads means the person who move from one place to another, जो एक जगह से घूम घूम कर चीजें करता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक जगह मैं आज हूँ, यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ खाने के लिए मिला, मैं यहाँ कुछ टाइम मैंने यहाँ पे खाया, जब वो चीजें यहाँ पे खत्म हो गई तो मैंने क्या किया, मैं कहीं और गई खाने की खोज में, जानवर. और ऑब्वियसली वन थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू हियर दैट people also move from with animals. जैसे जानवर हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह रन करते हैं in search of food, in search of animals, they also move from one place to another. So we can say people were hunter gatherers and nomads. I have already told this thing that modern in the Paleolithic age the early humans were Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens was the modern form of human beings, right? And they have appeared in upper Paleolithic age. Homo sapiens appeared during this time period. Then we have to talk about some techniques, stone making techniques. Look, as I said that this is the stone age, so all the things in this stone age is based on the stone. How people use stones to make tools, how they use things to get food. Basically they use stones to hunt, for hunting purpose, for gathering purpose. So that is why stone is very important. Or lithic, the word here I have written. Look, you can check in each and every term there is the use of the word lithic. Okay, so this word is very important here. Stone making techniques, let us talk about it. First one, stone on stone, and second one, pressure flaking technology. What is that? Stone and pressure flaking. देखो ऐसा होता है, for example मेरे पास दो stone है. First of all, let us discuss about stone on stone. For example, I have two stones, one in this hand and one in this hand. So if I want to make this stone a tool, if I want to change it into a tool, so what I will do, I will just push it, I will just press it, I will just chirp it. मैं इसको क्या करूंगी, मारूंगी इसके ऊपर, इस पे हिट करूंगी और बार बार हिट करने से I will give it a shape, particular shape that I want according to my need, right? So they use this technique, stone on stone technique, to make a tool, to convert stone into a tool, right? After that, the second one was pressure flake technique. In this they put a particular stone on a flat surface. For example, this is a flat surface. Here, this is the one stone I have put it here, and then another one is there. और दूसरे से hit कर करके इस फ्लेक्स बनाए जाते थे. जितना ज्यादा नुकीला उनको करना होता था स्टोन को, वो करते थे. और क्या करते थे, टूल्स तैयार करते थे. बेसिकली there was two cultures were there. Hope you understand this topic, stone making techniques. These two are very important. Okay, then culture, let us talk about culture. There were two cultures were there, pebble culture and Hendex culture. Basically there are some tools that have obtained from these valleys, Sohan Valley and Pallavaram. So pebble culture, there are some tools that have found from Sohan Valley, and Hendex culture, the tools that have found from Pallavaram. Okay, this is something about we have learned Paleolithic age. There are, now we have to learn about some sites also, that from where we got to know about the Paleolithic time period, right? So I will tell you later about this. First of all, we have to understand what are these three ages. Clear? One thing I want to tell you about it, I have also discussed it in my earlier video about BC, AD and CE. Look, these three terms are very important to calculate about the time period of the history. So as you all know, Jesus Christ was there before the time period, before the birth of Jesus Christ is considered as BC, means before Christ, and after the birth of Jesus Christ the time period is considered as AD, and CE, common era, also is there. BCE, before common era. There are some terms we have to learn about. This is just used to calculate time, right? Now let us move on to our second topic, that is Mesolithic. The time period from 10,000 to 8,000 BC. Look, this is called as Middle Stone Age. This one, Paleolithic, is called as Old Stone Age, and Mesolithic. Word Meso means middle, okay, and lithic means stone, so we can also call it as Middle Stone Age. It was the time period from 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. Okay, it was discovered in the year 1857 when the archaeologist C.L. Carlyle unearthed some microlithic weapons from Vindhan region. Look, in the Mesolithic time period, in the Mesolithic age, Stone Age, the tools that have found were microliths. Microliths कैसे होते थे, छोटे छोटे पत्थर होते थे और वो बहुत ज्यादा sharp होते थे. Their edges and their I can say what is it, were very sharp. बहुत ज्यादा नुकीले पत्थर होते थे. उनको हम बोलते थे microlith weapon. But they were smaller in size. बहुत ज्यादा छोटे थे size में. And from where we have found them? From Vindhan region. Look, at that time in the Mesolithic period, lots of changes happened. What kind of changes? First of all, climate has changed. क्लाइमेट में चेंज आ गया था. द क्लाइमेट वॉज वार्म, गर्म होने लगा था. जो सारा टेम्परेचर था वो बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ चुका था. और इस टाइम पर जो लोग थे वो बेसिकली पीपल वर प्रेफर टू लिव नियर बाय rivers. In the Mesolithic age, river became very important. Why is it so? Because when they live near rivers, they can drink water first of all. Second thing, animals also come to rivers, near rivers to drink water, so they can easily get food also. And so we can say rivers were very important at that time. Grasslands developed, and you can say the process of settlement started in this period. Like I have told you, in the Paleolithic period, people were nomads. They moved from one place to another. But in the Mesolithic Stone Age, they were बेसिकली सेटल्ड एट अ प्लेस. एक जगह उन्होंने रहना शुरू कर दिया था. वो जगह जगह भागते नहीं थे, क्योंकि उन्हें समझ आया था, उन्हें धीरे धीरे समझ आने लगी थी काफी सारी चीजें, तो उन्होंने एक जगह पर रहना शुरू कर दिया था. देन फिश बिकेम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ फूड, बिकॉज आई हैव टोल्ड यू ना कि कहाँ रहते थे वो, ज्यादातर नदी के पास रहते थे, तो फिश भी उनको इजीली मिल जाती थी, तो उनके लिए एक अच्छा सोर्स था खाने का. दैट इज व्हाई दे स्टार्टेड लिविंग नियर बाय rivers. Then hunting changed because of the grassland animals. Look, as they have started settling at a particular place, so there they started rearing of animals also. उन्होंने पशुपालन शुरू कर दिया था. उन्हें समझ में आ गया था कि जैसे शीप वगैरह है, तो इनसे इनको मिल्क मिल सकता है. धीरे धीरे ये चीजें इनको समझ आने लगी, तो इन्होंने हंटिंग स्किप करना शुरू कर दिया. Then the main tools that were developed in the Mesolithic period was spears, arrows, bows, slings, तीर, भाले. ये सारे टूल्स जो थे वो मेसोलिथिक पीरियड में पाए गए हमें. ओके, नाउ लेट अस कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. दिस इज कॉल्ड नियोलिथिक. नियोलिथिक, द वर्ड नियोलिथिक मींस न्यू. नियोलिथिक का नियो का मतलब क्या होता है? नियो मींस न्यू, एंड लिथिक यू ऑल नो, stone. So new stone age we can call it. We can also call it new stone age, and the time period from 8000 BC to further. 8000 साल पहले ये शुरू हुआ Neolithic age. Basically here agriculture and domestication of animals started. First time in the Neolithic age क्या शुरू हो गया था? Agriculture and domestication of animals. Right. Earliest signs of एग्रीकल्चर वी हैव फाउंड इन द वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम नाइल रिवर. सबसे पहले के जो हमें एग्रीकल्चर के साइंस मिले हैं पूरी दुनिया में, वो कहाँ मिले हैं? नाइल रिवर. नाइल रिवर इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड. दिस इज द फैक्ट. ओके, फर्स्ट डोमेस्टिकेटेड एनिमल, जो सबसे पहला पालतू जानवर था, वो कौन था? डॉग. वाइल्ड एंसेस्टर्स ऑफ डॉग. लुक, सम पीपल थिंक एंड इन सम बुक्स आल्सो इट इज रिटन दैट इट वाज sheep, but no, it was dog. Wild ancestors of dog. You have to prefer NCERT, right? Don't prefer any other kind of book. Just prefer NCERT. In the NCERT, it is written that the wild ancestors of dog were the first domesticated animal. Okay. Then people have also learned to build houses. Oldest evidence was मेहरगढ़. सबसे पुराना एविडेंस जो हमें मिला है हाउसेस बनाने का, वो कहाँ से मिला है? मेहरगढ़ से, अर्लीस्ट साइट. देन द प्रोसेस ऑफ पॉटरी ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड. पॉटरी मेकिंग, उन्होंने धीरे धीरे बर्तन बनाने शुरू कर दिए थे मिट्टी के, उन्हें धीरे धीरे समझ आया था. एंड वन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील. दे हैव इन्वेंटेड व्हील. सो आई थिंक यू ऑल आर ऑब्जर्विंग दिस थिंग फ्रॉम Paleolithic period to the Neolithic period. We are seeing that they are developing. धीरे धीरे वो क्या कर रहे हैं? वो डेवलप कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे अभी उन्हें ये भी नहीं पता था कि कैसे खाना है, क्या खाना है, कहीं जो मिल गया, जैसा मिल गया वो खा लेते थे. फिर यहाँ उनको समझ आया कि अब एक जगह रहते हैं, टाइम चेंज हुआ, उन्हें फिश के बारे में पता चला, उन्हें ये समझ आया कि हमें नदी के पास रहना चाहिए ताकि जानवर भी यहाँ आएंगे तो हम उन्हें इजिली खा पाएंगे. ठीक है. टूल्स नए नए बनाने उन्होंने शुरू किए. उसके बाद नियोलिथिक पीरियड की अगर बात करें तो यहाँ पर उन्होंने एग्रीकल्चर स्टार्ट कर दिया, डोमेस्टिकेशन स्टार्ट कर दिया, और पॉटरी मेकिंग, इन्वेंशन कर लिया व्हील तक का. सो दिस इज हाउ दे ग्रो इन अ टाइम. कैसे इन्होंने ग्रोथ की अपनी जिंदगी में. और आज तो हम इतनी डेवलपमेंट हो चुकी है, तो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस दैट क्रिएट्स अ डिफरेंस, राइट. Evidences of agriculture from Pakistan. The earliest evidence of agriculture we have found from Pakistan. Then the first cultivated crop was barley and second one was wheat. Look, there are in some books or in some sources you can get to know that the first crop was wheat. First cultivated crop was wheat. But no, this is not so. The first cultivated crop that early humans grow or cultivated was barley, right? And after that they have cultivated wheat. Clear? So hope you understand all this about the Stone Age. Then I will tell you about some sites, Paleolithic sites, Mesolithic sites, and Neolithic sites. Okay, let us talk about sites. What are sites? Sites are the sources of Stone Age from where we have found the evidences of Paleolithic Stone Age, Mesolithic Stone Age, and Neolithic Stone Age. Okay, first one was Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka is in MP, and we have found the oldest rock shelters and earliest signs of rock paintings. Means early humans were basically started living in rocks, and they have पेंटेड ऑल्सो सम थिंग्स जो भी उनको वहां आसपास समझ आया, जैसे हमें कई जगह एनिमल्स बने हुए मिले हैं, पेंटिंग्स मिली हैं, एंड दे मेड दैट पेंटिंग्स विद द नेचुरल कलर्स. ओके, पेड़ पत्तों का कलर निकाल के वो बनाते थे, पेंटिंग्स बनाते थे. सो देन आफ्टर दैट नेवासा वाज इन महाराष्ट्र. हथनौर, इट्स इन नर्मदा वैली, एमपी, मध्य प्रदेश. वेतमचरला, आंध्र प्रदेश. पटने, Maharashtra. This is the most important one. Some are important one like Bhimbetka. Second one is Patne. Patne is in Maharashtra and present day Patna. At that time it was called as Patne. Okay. From where we have found the ostrich eggshells. हमें वहाँ पर क्या मिले? Ostrich के eggshells मिले हैं, and on that there were slant lines. कुछ lines भी थी, slant lines थी उस eggshell पे. तो we can assume at that time ostrich were there. तो बहुत पुराने समय की बात हो गई. Okay, one thing I want to tell you, if you want to found about if you want to calculate the time period कि कौन सी चीज कब आई होगी, तो जब भी हमें कोई एविडेंस मिलता है ना किसी भी चीज का, तो आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट क्या करते हैं? कार्बन डेटिंग करते हैं. दिस इज अ प्रोसेस फ्रॉम विच वी कैन गेट टू नो अबाउट द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर थिंग. कैसे किया जाता है? कोई भी चीज मिली है, पहले उसको अच्छी तरह साफ किया जाता है, उस पर जो धूल मिट्टी होती है उसको हटाया जाता है, फिर उसपे जितना भी कार्बन मटेरियल प्रेजेंट होता है उसको निकाल के उसको मेजर किया जाता है. Next Paleolithic site was Kurnool. It's in Andhra Pradesh. From here we get signs of ashes. Ashes means राख. हमें यहाँ से कुछ राख के साइन मिले हैं. राख, तो we can assume that fire has already discovered. I have already told you about this, that fire was discovered in the Paleolithic period. Okay. Then Hunski was another site. Pallavaram was also a Paleolithic site. Okay. Let us move on to the next one, that is Mesolithic site. First one, Bagod. It's in Rajasthan. Adamgarh, MP. From both the sites we have found the domestication of animals. Look, I have told you that domestication of animals started here, but properly it has started in Neolithic period, Neolithic Stone Age. But here the oldest sign of domestication we have got from Bagod and from Adamgarh. Next was Chopani Mando. Chopani Mando is in Uttar Pradesh, UP. From here we get the earliest signs of pottery making. Langnas, it's in Gujarat. Here we have found the evidence of 14 human skeleton. हमें यहाँ पर 14 human skeletons के evidence मिले थे एक साथ. तो हम assume कर सकते हैं कि they people bury other peoples. Okay, एक साथ bury करते थे. Adicha Malur and Brahmagari were some other Mesolithic sites. Okay, then the next one was Neolithic sites. The first Neolithic site was Mehergarh. Mehergarh was in Pakistan, and from here we have found the oldest signs of burial sites. Burial sites means दफना देते हैं, बरी कर देते हैं. जब हम किसी को, ह्यूमंस को या एनिमल्स को, तो उस पर्टिकुलर साइट को बोला जाता है बरियल साइट. बड़े बड़े पत्थरों में ह्यूमंस को बरी किया जाता था. लोगों को, जो राजा वगैरह होते थे, उनको जानवरों के साथ, ज्वेलरी के साथ, बहुत सारी चीजों के साथ बरी किया जाता. व्हाई दे डिड सो? ऐसा क्यों करते होंगे वो लोग? बिकॉज दे बिलीव इन लाइफ आफ्टर डेथ. इनका मानना था कि डेथ के बाद भी जिंदगी है. जब इंसान की डेथ हो जाती है तो उसके बाद भी वो कोई ऐसी जगह होती है जहां वो सब चले जाते हैं और दे लिव देयर लाइफ. दैट इज व्हाई जो बड़े बड़े लोग होते थे, राजा होते थे, रॉयल फैमिली के लोग होते थे, उनके साथ बहुत सारी चीजें, खाना, बड़े बड़े पॉटरी में बहुत सारी, कह सकते हैं, ज्वेलरी, सब चीजें, कपड़े और सब चीजों को बरी किया जाता था. क्लियर? The most important site, Mehergarh, that is in Pakistan. Second one, Burjhom. Burjhom was in Kashmir. Earliest signs of pit houses. Pit houses means जमीन के नीचे घर बनाते थे. ये बहुत ज्यादा बारिश से बचने के लिए, जानवरों से बचने के लिए ये pit houses बनाते थे. Clear? Then it is also called as place of birch tree. बहुत सारे birch tree यहाँ पे पाए जाते हैं. Then Gufkaral, it's in Kashmir. It is called as potter's cave and making of utensils. Earlier signs of utensils, making of utensils we have found from Gufkaral. Chopani Mando also, I'm not denying this thing. In Mesolithic period, it was Chopani Mando, but in Neolithic period, it was Gufkaral, Kashmir. Mahagarh. There is a difference between Mahagarh and Mehergarh. Okay, Mahagarh is in UP and Mehergarh is in Pakistan. From Mahagarh, we have found the footprints of cattle on clay. Okay, so this is the evidence that in Neolithic period, humans started domestication of animals. The next site was Chiran. It's in Bihar. It was the only site from where tools were made up of animal bones. इससे ही हम अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं that early humans also used animal bones to make tools. Okay, and किसके tools मिले, कौन से जानवर के हड्डियों के मिले हैं tools? Swamp deer. And next site was Koldiva. It's in UP. Halur, Karnataka. And last one, Payampalli. It's in Tamil Nadu. Okay, these are all the sites from where we got the sources of Stone Age. Okay, Paleolithic sites, Mesolithic sites, and Neolithic sites. This is all about this chapter, Stone Age, or I can say this topic, Stone Age. Okay, if you like the video, give it a hit, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.